Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Kremlin Call Smashers ang NX-led Chameleons 25-12, 25-21, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Kyle Negreto sa likod ng kanyang 3 points at 15 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Panaga ng 5 points at 2 blocks. De Leon 5 points, Carlos 10 points, 9 attacks. Negreto 3 points, 15 excellent sets. Pons 13 points, 12 attacks, 12 digs. Valdez 7 points, 7 excellent digs. Revilla 0 point. Nag-ambag din si Rodriguez ng 1 point at 1 ace. Gumabaw 3 points. Bernardo 5 points, 1 block. Bonafé 1 point, 1 ace. Vargas 2 points. Galanza 5 points. Para naman sa natalong NX-led Chameleons, nagtala si De Los Reyes ng 7 points, 7 attacks. Pilaga 0 point. Laika Ebon 6 points, 1 block. Mangulabnan 0 point. Almonte 6 points, 1 block, 7 digs. Permentella 3 points. Pineda 13 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Maylona ng 6 points, 6 attacks at 1 reception. Maraginot 8 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinalo naman ng PLDT high-speed hitters ang Signal HD Spikers 25-20, 25-21, 20-25, 25-22. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Savi Davison sa likod na kanang 24 points, 22 attacks at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Palomata ng 6 points, 2 blocks. Mary Joy Baron 10 points, 1 ace. Santos 15 points, 13 attacks. Alcantara 4 points, 16 excellent sets. Davison 24 points, 22 attacks, 2 blocks, 12 digs at 10 excellent receptions. Ceballos 1 point. Arado 16 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Micah Reyes ng 1 point. Bedonia 7 points, 2 SS at 10 excellent receptions. Para naman sa natalong Signal HD Spikers, nagtala si Doria Aquino ng 9 points. Acona 14 points, 12 attacks. Abel 5 points. Cayuna 3 points, 2 blocks, 14 excellent sets. Lalong Isep 12 points, 1 ace, 14 digs, 6 excellent receptions. Gandler 22 points, 19 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces. Katindig 19 digs. Nag-ambag din si Fernandez ng 1 point. Doremdes 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of January 28, 2025. Kremlin Call Smashers 6 wins, 0 loss, 17 points. Petrogas Angels 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. Signal HD Spikers 5 wins, 2 losses, 15 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 5 wins, 3 losses, 15 points. Charity Go Crossovers 5 wins, 3 losses, 14 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 5 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Akari Chargers 4 wins, 4 losses, 12 points. Zos Thunderbells 3 wins, 4 losses, 11 points. Farm Fresh 3 wins, 4 losses, 10 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 6 losses, 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 6 losses, 4 points. NX-led Chameleons 0 win, 8 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ng January 30, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang Charity Go Crossovers at Zos Thunderbells alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Galleries Tower High Risers at Farm Fresh alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.